For decades, history books have told a consistent story. The Great Sphinx was carved around 2500 BCE for the pharaoh Khafre. But if you look closely at the stone itself, a different story emerges. One that suggests this silent guardian might be thousands of years older than the civilization that supposedly built it. The traditional view attributes the Sphinx's wear to wind and sand. However, in the 1990s, geologist Robert Schoch pointed out a glaring anomaly. The deep, vertical, undulating fissures found on the Sphinx and its enclosure walls are characteristic of precipitation-induced weathering. This is water erosion, the kind caused by centuries of heavy, cascading rainfall. Here lies the problem. Egypt has been an arid desert for the last 5,000 years. For the Sphinx to exhibit this specific type of water damage, it would have to have been exposed to a period of significant rainfall. This takes us back to the end of the last ice age, between 7,000 and 10,000 BCE, long before the dynastic Egyptians are said to have possessed the tools or the social structure to create such a monument. Critics of the traditional timeline also point to the Sphinx's head. It is famously out of proportion, far too small for its massive body. Many researchers suggest the monument was originally a giant lion, and that a later pharaoh, perhaps Khnfre himself, had the weathered head recarved into his own likeness. This would explain why the head shows much less erosion than the body. If the Sphinx was indeed carved in 10,000 BCE, it would mean that a highly organized, technologically capable civilization existed long before the dawn of recorded history. While mainstream archaeology remains skeptical, the scars on the stone tell a compelling tale of a much older, lost chapter of human achievement. The Great Sphinx remains a riddle in the sand, a silent witness to a time that history has forgotten. We may not just be looking at a monument of the Old Kingdom, but a relic from a world we are only beginning to understand.